to this slide. Yeah. Duplicate this. So making, let's say, rice cooking. I'm not going to do all rice cooking. You have raw material. You are using energy. Okay. You are using equipment. I think I better do this way. You are using raw material, probably different. You are using energy. You are using equipment. Yeah. Even sometimes there are industrial scale kitchens, you know. And there is a relevant process. Not this one, but a different one. And you have a different finished product. Even your product is cup of tea. Sometimes people drink half and throw away, you again a waste. That's why even consumption matters after that. Consumption also matters because sometimes consumption. So I just put here the consumption also. Consumption. That is also very important because even during the consumption there should be waste. සමහර අය බත් පිඟාන බෙදාගත්ත එක කන්නේ they eat half and throw away. No. So that is really bad. That is really bad. So consumption also very important. Aspect. It's difficult to make it vertical. Okay, good. Consumption also very important. Okay, consumption also very important. So this is a good model somehow for you to see. So good. So there can be relevant for rice cooking also. There should be waste. So you can reduce this. So again, interest of millions of households. So you can see how important reducing when it comes to household, the kitchen, the cooking, tea making and all the process. So the very important thing is minimize the waste at the source. That is what we call reduce. Okay, minimize the waste at the source. This is very important. Reduce. Reduce. Here you may have no reusing, but if you have extra, yeah, reusing means even actually you can see a lot of rice leftovers. That is problem of matching the capacity with the consumption. Yeah. So you can see a lot of issues related to household cooking process. සමහර ගෙවල් වල උයන්න හාල්නේ සමහර ගෙවල් වල බත් කියලා විසි කරනවා. Or putting the leftovers in the fridge. And next day you may be throwing away after he kept it cold. That's why. So you have to be responsible when it comes to the consuming aspect as well. Okay. So one way you are producer, one way you are consumer. So responsible consumption is very important. Okay. So I have to take this big one, this one here. So when it comes to resources, okay, so here the product and services is output. Then you have the consumption process here. The consumption process is taken place here. Then what happens here? Even during the consumption, there should be some waste. Waste. Waste of energy and matter. Again possible. Waste of energy and matter. Let's say example. You may be the consumer of the rice cooker. So when you use the rice cooker, usage or consumption, consumption or usage. Also there can be issues. Usage. So you can see raw material, energy, the waste, products output is here, and the consumption or usage is here. There also you will see the waste of energy and matter. So that is the situation, waste of energy.